Notion has become one of the most powerful all-in-one productivity tools, and in 2025, you can take your Notion game to the next level by mastering not just the basics, but some smart, future-forward strategies. First, focus on building a clean workspace structure. Set up top-level pages that mirror your major life or work categories. Think work, personal, projects, learning. Under these, use subpages so everything stays organized without clutter, and create a home dashboard or index page where you put links to your most used areas. Next, get really comfortable with databases, because they are where Notion shines. Use linked databases to display the same information in different ways. Kanban board for task status, calendar for deadlines, table for details. Use relations to connect, for example, your tasks database with your projects database, and then use roll-ups to summarize progress or see totals at a glance. This makes your Notion workspace feel cohesive and powerful. Speaking of power, embrace Notion AI. In 2025, AI is a huge productivity booster. Use it to generate content drafts, summarize meeting notes, or extract action items. It saves so much time and lets you focus on more important thinking. Also, take advantage of buttons to automate repetitive tasks. You can make a button that creates a new journal entry, or a weekly review template, or whatever routine task you do often. To make your workspace more maintainable and consistent, use synced blocks. Write something once, like a header, a footer, or a contact section, and paste it anywhere. Whenever you update it, it changes everywhere. This is especially great for navigation bars or recurring info that you reference across pages. If you use Notion on mobile, improve navigation using anchor links and a table of contents. Link to important sections within a long page so you can jump around easily. Also, customize your pages with your own icons and emojis so that visually, things are easier to spot and more fun to use. Integration is another big win in 2025. Embed external content like Google Calendar, Google Docs, or design files, Figma, Loom, directly into Notion pages so all related materials live in one place. Combine that with Notion's built-in calendar and reminders so you don't miss deadlines. When working in a team, use team spaces and permission settings to separate work by department or project. Use comments and real-time editing to collaborate smoothly, assign tasks, and track progress with clarity. For recurring tasks or data entries, build database templates that pre-fill certain properties so you don't have to recreate the same things over and over. Also, don't forget to use formulas, relations, and roll-ups to build deeper, more automated systems, like progress bars or status trackers, and create dashboards that update in real time. You can also export your database as CSV if you need to do analysis outside Notion, or sync with tools like Rows to build charts or reports. Finally, keep your setup simple and functional, especially as you grow in using Notion. A lot of people spend too much time designing their workspace. Focus on what helps you get actual work done. Start with what you need, then refine. And don't forget, use favorites to pin your most used pages so you can reach them in seconds. If you follow these tips, your Notion in 2025 won't just be an app, it'll be your personal command center. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite Notion trick for this year?